Alright, so I got this 1995 Mercury Grand Marquis here. Kinda dark, but that's alright. It's an interesting story of this car. I'm just gonna do a cold start on it first, though. So, 1995, we got I don't know if you can read it, but it's 219,294. I got this car at 208,000 miles, bought it for $600. See how it sounds, how much that money makes it worth it. I don't like the song. I don't care. Anyway, so funny story. My landlord at my old place, total jackass, didn't take care of the place. And our parking lot was surrounded by tall trees everywhere, and it killed my other car. I didn't have comprehensive on it, so I got screwed, and I got this car at 208,000 miles. But for $600, I got 11,000 plus miles or so. Now, the interior light, there it goes. Sometimes it doesn't work. Oh, it's out. Oh well. We'll be under darkness then. So let's take it out for a little drive. Oh, seatbelt. We're under mood lighting here. It's got a 4.6 liter V8. But it's only used 9 gallons and about 194 miles or so. So it's not too bad for a V8 in a car that size. Turn off the radio for a second. So it does a pretty good job. I just got the rear brakes done on it. Might happen right here. Sometimes the tranny has some issues with climbing up the hills in third gear only at 30 miles per hour. That's when it's warmed up. But for the most part, it's handled great when traveled some long distances. I can turn around somewhere. But anyway, this car is great, spacious, have a huge ass trunk. Let me see if I can get that gear problem going on. Not right now. It only sometimes happens. It's nothing like the power of this car, especially with the rear brakes being done. Now it doesn't bobble when I try to do stuff with it. Oh, we'll see what happens in a minute. I'll be right back. So I'm back at my place after the drive. I'm at 219, 299. Let's go check out the engine. Pretty dark back there without that light. I'll get it fixed. It's kind of cool though. Darkness. Mood lighting. Mood lighting. There we go. Nice having that light. Oh, my 4.6 liter modular V8. 190 horsepower. Not sure about the torque, but it's probably around 240 to 260 pound-feet. Hanging around. Not bad for about 220,000 miles. Not bad for $600. Now I did have to put 4 new tires on it. Come on, light. Shut off. There we go. 4 new tires, new ignition. I broke it by accident. New brakes in the rear and the back. When I stop, the vehicle just like goes back and forth, like it hobbles down, up and down. But now it doesn't do that anymore. It got new rear brakes. It's rear-wheel drive. It needs rear brakes. That's how it stops. So that's like a truck. It gets a lot better fuel economy for V8. 22 miles per gallon or so. 21, 22, something around there. So, in the mood lighting, we'll shut her down. Thank you so much.